Accounting firms and fractional CFOs, do you ever feel like no matter how much you do, there's no way out? You feel bogged down by outdated manual processes that stall your growth and leave you frustrated. It doesn't have to be this way. FirmOS simplifies everything with custom AI automation that frees your time and helps you build a firm that can scale. Here's the reality. Relying on spreadsheets and email chains is slowing down your operations. Getting in front of high-value clients feels impossible without spending big on ads. Hiring feels like a gamble that is unpredictable and expensive. And the worst part? These issues are draining your energy, stifling your growth, and keeping you stuck in a business that demands too much of your time. It's not just about scaling, it's about creating a firm that works without constant oversight. Smarter solutions exist, so why keep doing it the hard way? FirmOS isn't just another software. It's a platform to organize and manage your workflows while reducing dependency on the owner. Designed by CPAs who understand your challenges, FirmOS ensures everything runs smoothly without you lifting a finger. We're not just another CPA coach or a complex tool that wastes your time on setup and training. With FirmOS, we implement the systems and infrastructure on your behalf, giving you more time to focus on growing a valuable, future-proof firm. With AI-driven automation, real-time dashboard monitoring, and built-in process management, FirmOS simplifies your operations, reduces stress, and drives predictable growth. Here's how FirmOS works. It's a done-for-you system that transforms your firm in 5 simple steps. Centralize your data. We connect your key tools, practice management software, CRMs, tax platforms, and email all into one unified master dashboard. This gives you a single source of truth. You'll gain real-time insights through built-in business intelligence capabilities that help you uncover hidden bottlenecks. Uncover roadblocks. Using the aggregated data, we identify key roadblocks slowing down your growth. This step isn't about quick fixes. We focus on long-term solutions, addressing root causes instead of service-level issues. Create a custom roadmap. Together, we define a clear 90-day goal and custom roadmap with measurable outcomes along the way. Our team of automation experts collaborates with you to map out processes, reduce owner dependency, and build scalable solutions. Implement custom solutions. We handle the execution by deploying custom operating systems that automate repetitive tasks and free your team from manual work. Through our sprint-based approach, you receive regular updates and hands-on support. Monitor, refine, and improve. With everything in place, we continuously track key metrics, refine processes, and implement new solutions as your firm scales. After implementation, we operate in 2-week sprints to keep driving results. Each sprint includes bi-weekly strategy sessions, review performance metrics, identify new opportunities, and set priorities for the upcoming sprint. Planning. Our team of experts design solutions based on your firm's most pressing needs. Execution. During the sprint, our team of CPAs and automation experts implement new features and refine processes, debrief, and next steps. At the end of the sprint, we document progress, track improvements, and set goals for the next cycle. This sprint-based approach ensures continuous measurable progress, keeping your firm agile without adding any workload to your team. Imagine this. Repetitive tasks are automated with custom AI agents, giving your team more bandwidth to focus on growth and handle more clients without the need for extra hires. Lead generation runs on autopilot, delivering a steady flow of qualified decision makers without relying on your referrals. Your system scales smoothly, eliminating bottlenecks and chaos as your firm grows. Clients are happy with proactive communication and faster turnaround times. You gain full visibility into your firm's performance, helping you stay afloat of issues and reclaim valuable time. By adopting cutting-edge technology, your firm stands out and you finally have time to focus on strategy or just take that well-earned break. FirmOS isn't just a tool, it's an ecosystem designed to simplify operations, reduce owner dependency, and build a scalable firm ready for whatever the future holds. Here are the actual results firms are seeing with FirmOS. Stuart booked 66 appointments with AI automation, building a $3.3 million opportunity pipeline. Amano Fast grew from 0 to 15,000 quarterly website impressions, driving dozens of booked appointments. The nonprofit CFO reclaimed 40 hours a week while saving up to $15,000 in recruiting fees. Upcounting achieved full marketing automation. These are real firms getting real results by embracing smarter systems. Ready to reclaim your time and scale your firm without the stress? Since we deliver hands-on tailored solutions, we only open a limited number of spots each quarter. Secure yours today and see if you qualify to become an early adopter of AI-powered automation. Don't miss the opportunity to build a streamlined, high-value firm that can grow without constant oversight. Why us? Because we do things differently. FirmOS is a fully managed solution designed to take the load off of your shoulders. We build, implement, and optimize automated solutions for you, so you can stop firefighting and focus on what truly drives growth. Unlike complicated tools that take months to set up or agencies that deliver underwhelming, generic solutions, FirmOS offers custom-built automation with hands-on support, delivering real results that actually moves the needle of your firm. Don't miss your chance to transform your accounting firm with FirmOS. Whether you want to scale, step back, or build future-ready practice, FirmOS gives you the tools and support to make it happen. Join now and take the first step towards a smarter, more profitable practice.